Hi, it's Kim Zoller, and today is the beginning of Wednesday wirings. And where does wirings and rewiring come from? Well, Laurie Santos from Yale does a happiness course, and I just love her. And she talks about instead of doing exercises and assignments, she calls them rewirements. And I've really been listening to a lot of her podcasts lately, and I listened to something that she did with Sam Harris, who is the founder of the app Waking Up, and I just loved it. And that was when we think about the opposite, like the negative of what we have, it is amazing how it keeps it in perspective for us. So to think about, instead of, thinking, oh, I'm in this house or I live in this place, to think about, what if I didn't have it? What if I didn't have my children? Even though like your children might be driving you crazy, my children are older, so they're not driving me crazy, but even if our children are making noise and we're trying to work, what if they weren't there? So it really has made me think about, oh my gosh, what if I hadn't had that lesson? What if I hadn't had that experience? And the other thing that for some reason has been really stuck in my head this week is that if this were my last 10 minutes to live, how do I want to be? How do I want to be living my life? I don't want to be ruminating about something that has happened and I wish it didn't, and I thought it was going to be something different, and why did I do this, and why did I say that, or worrying about something even in an hour because actually I won't be here in 10 minutes. And so I just am thinking about this moment and being so present and being so grateful and treasuring this moment. We all have lives that go up and down and up and down. And so to really think about, you know what, those are the things that give me character, that give me meaning, and that give other people character and meaning, and to stay in this moment of not only gratitude, as I say, yes, gratitude, also thinking about how do I want to show up? How do I want to be in this moment? What if it was my last 10 minutes? What would I want to be thinking of? And I know that I would want to be thinking of positive, beautiful things that this world and this life has given me. And even if it's a challenge in the moment, that I get to use my brain to overcome it. So with that, I challenge you to do the same and have the very best day.